We out here. All the whips are out here today. Looking a little JDM today, except for the homie Jimmy. Jimmy sold his JDM. If you guys remember, Jimmy had an R32 GTR and he sold it, guys. It's gone. I should have bought it, but I did not. But anyways, we are here pumping ED5 like always. Everyone else is pumping ED5 as well. We on the iPhone today because I'm just over my camera, bro. At night, it does not work. It doesn't focus. It's blurry, and I hate it. So we're on the iPhone. Honestly, the iPhone is not that bad. 30 bucks of E85 real quick, down the drain. See, now this is more like it, guys. $3.20. In Las Vegas, that shit was $4.40. But yeah, today we're out here. We're going to a car meet tonight. It's actually me and Chazzy's meet tonight. Chazzy dog, you guys all remember Chazzy. Last night he hit me up and he was like, bro, we should do a little car meet, like a pop-up meet. Super random. I was like, you know what? I'm down. Let's do it. So hopefully people pull up today. Hopefully some of you guys pull up today. I'm excited. I'm also nervous. Every time I throw my own car meet, guys, I get super nervous because I'm not sure who's going to show up. If it's going to be a fail and nobody comes through, it's going to be embarrassing. I don't know. But we already got our own little car meet here right now. I mean, Chazzy's already there and I'm late like always. We're going to go pick up Hugo from work real quick. Pick Hugo up from work and then we're heading to the meet. So let's go. The GTR looks fire though. Look at this. We washed it today. Washed it all by myself because David had to go to work, but we washed it. Look how clean it is, bro. The color looks crazy right now. Look at this. This color is insane. I've been thinking about taking it off just because I love how the black car looks. If you guys have followed me on Instagram, you guys see me posting the black paint like a lot recently. Because I've been just debating on taking off the wrap. But I don't know. Then I see it when it's clean like this and I change my mind. Like, I don't want to change it. There's no way. This thing's sick though. Look, 370. It looks like a Nismo. It is a Nismo, I think. Got the Nismo wheels, Nismo bumper, Nismo seats. And then this thing is sick. The homie J's 350. It's literally like mine, except the full carbon fiber hood and fenders. And he has something a little special down here. You would think it's just a Tome exhaust, right? But then you look under. What is that, bro? This fool has a big old single turbo. This shit is sick. It's literally like my Z on steroids. The same exact color pretty much. That candy apple red. But his shit's fire, bro. He has a lot more done than I do. And I think his just looks way cleaner than mine, bro. Sad. Maybe one day we'll have both our cars out one time so you guys can see them together. Yeah, that's just pretty fast. I've raced them on my GTR and it keeps up, bro. And we got Jimmy in the Z06. Must be nice. I love this car so much. Oh, STI? And we got Gustavo's slow car over here. The slowest one here. Gustavo hasn't driven his car in like what, 3 months? 3 weeks? I don't know, bro. The last time it was in the vlog? Damn, bro. This dude never drives his car. Who wants it?
80K.
I literally just said that. Someone buy it. He wants something new. He doesn't even drive it, bro. He goes out of work.
Where's everybody else at?
They're waiting for us. Come on. At the gas station. Oh, these sound so sick. Yeah, I think it's the same color. Let's see how many cars showed up, guys. I'm scared, bro. I was telling him every time we throw a meet, it's scary. Because I don't know who's going to pull up. What if there's only like one car? But nah, there's a lot, I think. Look at this. Look. Guys, we made it. We just parked right here.
What did you record on? 0.5 or?
I flipped back and forth. I don't know. Look how many people showed up. Actually, a lot of people, bro. For posting this literally like 8 hours ago, this is not a bad turnout. We gotta find Chazzy though. Look at all the GTRs. Sheesh, just some Lambos. The STO, bro. Damn, there's a lot of cars. I want to see this. What? It is a GTR, bro. No way, guys. So when we were pulling up, I thought a cop was already here shutting it down. But it happens to be a police GTR, bro. No way.
It's a booty patrol.
But that's so crazy. Booty patrol. I just saw that. Little Mexico flag. This is crazy. It's legit a cop car.
Can't you get in trouble?
GTR. Bro, I swear you can get in trouble for this. Look who it is, guys. What's up? How are you?
Fantastic, bro. How you doing?
Cool, cool. Cold? I'm freezing, bro.
Freezing, bro.
Is yours?
Chilling, bro.
Oh my god, no way. Bro, can't you go to jail for this?
Yeah, but
That is insane, bro. It looks sick with the wheel setup too and everything. That's just fire. That's insane. It has really police sirens and everything, guys. That's crazy. Another
I
GTR
just got the new
with the carbon hood on it. Yeah, there's a bunch of sick cars, guys. All the homies that we cruised up with. Damn, we pulled up deep.
you scrape back?
Yes, bro. I scraped my side skirt. There's big ass freaking speed bumps, guys. Oh my god, is that FindingNick, bro? No, it's not. I should have laid to my own thing.
All myself, dude.
I'm sorry. I should have laid everywhere.
They're not even parked in spaces.
I know. There's too many people. It's crazy how many Lambos showed up. SEO. Look at all the people around my car, bro. Oh my god, there's another STO, dude. Look at this shit. Damn. And these guys legit look like cops. The GTR and this Dodge are. That's crazy. Isn't that shit illegal, bro? We got the homie Jay's M4. You guys remember this one from the Vegas vlogs? This shit's fire, fast. Just smoked me, bro. Thank you, bro. I love you, bro. Look at that fadey. That shit's sick. We're missing David, though. David has work tonight, guys, so he couldn't make it. But this one legit looks like David. Same hood, same color. Bro, there's a lot of cars. This is crazy. That is a crazy color. Anyways, we're all about to go on a little cruise, guys, to the second location. It's going to be a crazy-ass cruise, probably. It's going to be sick, bro. There's so many cars. Shout out to everyone who pulled out. This is crazy. Chaddy's trying to figure out how to use a microphone so we could tell. Oh my god, bro.
I think. All right, guys, it is time to get ready and get on this drive. So we're gonna head to Houston, Habibi's Hot Chicken. I almost said a different hot chicken place, but we're going to Habibi's Hot Chicken. Me and Nick are gonna post it on our story right now. So screenshot the story and put that address in your maps. And yeah.
All right, guys, we out. We're about to go to the second location now. There's so many cars, bro. This is crazy. Yo, what the? Oh, all these Mustangs, bro. Alright guys, we made it to the second location here at this hot chicken spot. You hungry? I want some food. You think they got us some free food?
They better.
I hope. You guys, look at the turnout that we freaking made, bro. Like, this is insane. For a last minute car meet, bro, we gotta do more of this, I think, more
Literally
often.
last minute, like literally last minute.
Guys, we posted the flyer like literally 8 hours ago, and look how many people pulled up. There's so many more people, and I don't even think they fit in the parking lot. Like, this is crazy. And the cruise was wild, bro. I filmed as much as I could, but
I got more too.
people were driving a little reckless. If you guys want to see more of the footage, Hugo filmed the whole drive.
No,
While I was trying to focus and drive.
Listen, bro, are you ready for some Habib? You're gonna do the hot chicken challenge, right?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
Hot chicken challenge,
I can't
right
even eat
now.
hot Cheetos.
Yeah, it's okay. The hot chicken challenge. It's
Hell
not
no, die.
Oh!
Wait, what? Someone crashed. Bro, that's really bad. That was on the freeway?
You lost control.
just rolling deep.
Wait, what kind of car was it?
That was a G35, a 4-door.
No way, bro.
Bro, this is really bad,
He was next to, I
bro.
think, the GTR.
Oh
He was
my
trying to
god, dude. I hope that fool's okay, bro. That's scary. Bro, did you see the accident?
No, what happened?
Bro, look at this shit. Bro, look at the turnout. You see what we can do?
Dude, that's just crazy, bro.
I feel like we should do this every week now.
I think we should do this more often.
We definitely gotta do this more often.
Hey, we will. So if you're watching this video, like this video, subscribe to Nick, and subscribe to me. This is a sponsored
Subscribe to
video now.
Chadzy, bro.
Guys, please, I'm trying
This is
to
sponsored
vlog
ad.
now. And yeah, we'll do more videos if
Oh.
you subscribe to me.
So yeah.
Give me the 1.5K subs, we'll do
Do it, bro. Go subscribe to his channel. He's starting a vlog. I'm trying to make him vlog. And he's also a dope-ass photographer. of course. But yeah, me and Chazzy did this whole meet last minute, and look at the turnout, bro. It's actually insane.
Literally didn't even plan it.
I know, that was crazy. We gotta do this more for sure. Must be nice. Bro, there's so many cars that haven't even got in yet. It's just fire. Why is your horn selling? There's no
elotero, bro.
Bro, why is Gustavo's horn selling that? This shit looks slow, bro. This shit looks like a snack. That shit sounds crazy. Bro, how is this guy not scared driving like this? I think he was at the last meet driving like that. It legit looks like a cop car, bro. It's crazy. No way, you got the song playing. This bed is clean. It low-key looks like it has like an angle kit or something. You can tell from the front. Is it a drift car?
That side doesn't
I'm scared, bro. I'm legit scared. What, shit's so loud? God damn, it's literally like gunshots, bro. God damn. That's the loudest shit freaking pop I've ever heard in my life, bro. My ear legit hurts. Oh, there's cops.
You get them?
Are they pulling up to the Lambo? I think they are. That sucks. Guys, like the G80 from Vegas. This thing is so beautiful, bro. He actually gave me the keys. We're about to take it right now. I'm just kidding. But we do have the keys.
Imagine this like a car, you walking into it like this.
I wish that we could all fit in here.
Bro,
It's just white interior. Yeah, guys, I think it might be time. I think.
Brethren, I do not care, and I don't care what y'all say.
Nick
Sell
sounded?
the GTR, bro.
I know, bro.
Now.
Or we just take
Now.
this right now and just run away.
Trade them, bro. Just trade them. Look at this.
Look at the headlights. Just fire, bro.
It's so fire, bro.
It's so sick. But I know, guys, I think it's time to trade my GTR in for something. I don't know, bro. It's either a G80 and no GTR, or GTR and F80. I could have both, maybe.
G80.
I'd rather have both, no? That'd be sick. But I don't know, the G80 is freaking sick. It's like the ultimate car right here.
Oh, you got gapped by one.
I know. He'll probably get me too. He's even faster than the blue one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This is pretty loud, bro. Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.